Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Open your eyes, turn your hands, and now we relax. Students, this is your first period of English literature. So take out your book and notebook and open up the page number 20. Tenali paints a horse. I told this story to you all in our previous class. Okay, and the story was an artist came to king's palace and showed his painting to the courtiers in front of king. Then king said, "Wow, king pleased with the painting," and he said, "Just stay at my palace and I want to saw more paintings about my palace. But one courtier, the name Tenali Rama, was not so pleased with that. According to him, the painting owns all the sense, all the things, all the feelings are content in the painting on it owns. No, these paintings are never on depends on only imagination. Okay, according to Tenali. But according to everyone, the paintings are only depends on only imaginations. But according to Tenali, they had their own tale. They are never depends on only imagination. If an artist imagined anything, that means that is depends on some natural. So what is there in painting? It told its own story to everyone, not only imaginary one who imagine what is there. Alright, but everyone thought the Tenali Rama is an ignorant fool. Then they challenged him to paint a painting more beautiful than it. Then king offered a bag of gold to him. He accepted the challenge. All the three courtiers laughed on him. Alright, but he did the thing. He wanted to tell a lesson. He wanted to tell a lesson to king and all courtiers about the paintings. That paintings are never depends on imagination only. So he took a canvas with the 4-5 black strips and as a grass like feature at the bottom of the painting, and he came to the court and showed his painting. Now what he said? He said, just look at the painting and feel a horse is there. And he gathered all the grass and only his tail is there, and the complete body and the whole body of the horse is out of the canvas. Just imagine it. That painting is completely depends on imagination. Only imagination. Nothing is there. Now, the king and everyone inside the court learned the lesson that the paintings are never depends only about imaginations. They had their own stories, which everyone can saw easily. Everyone can see easily. So let's move to the exercise. Look at the book, page number 24. I hope you learned the words meaning at your home and find out the hard words. It was your homework, right? So let's move to exercise today. Page number 25. Open up the book, page number 25. Complete the following statements. A person is there. Complete the following statements. All statements are given in the chapter. You have to find that. I hope you did that. Let's recall it again. I can almost feel. I Third, if you could paint a picture, if you could paint the picture, the king said to Tenali Rama, right? Learn that statement. If you could paint the picture, a bag of gold is promised. A bag of gold is promised. That statement was said by king to Tenali Rama. Fourth one, he thinks that he is smarter than anyone else. He thinks that he is smarter than anyone else. The first courtier said that, right, to the king. The fifth one is, let somebody send to his. When Tenali Rama was late, then a courtier said, na, let somebody send to his house and tell him that he lost the bed as well as gold, the bag of gold. Right? Next one, look at the polished. Tenali Rama said to the king, right? Look at the polished leather saddle on it. On it means on horse. Okay? A passage is done now. Look at B. How well have you read the story? How well you have read the story? You know all the points. That is clear to you all. The statements of Tenali Rama, the statements of Raja, the statements of courtiers, and the billing of Tenali Rama. What do you want to set? You know that, right? So let's point the options. First, I enjoyed reading the passage. You enjoyed or not? If you enjoyed, just say yes. If you not, say no. And second, I got the idea of the passage of my own. You got the idea of the passage of your own. Did you understand that before? I think that is not possible. So write no here. Okay, third, I got the idea with the help of my friends in the group. When you did group discussion, you can, right? If you will a group discussion with your friend, or if you did it before, you got the idea, or you will get the idea. Alright, so it is yes. A group discussion can solve a lot of problems. Okay, so keep faith on group discussion. Fourth, the teacher helped me to understand the passage. Yes, I told you the passage. And the fifth number is, I use the glossary. That means words meaning. Even at the end of the passage, you use that, right? You know that you don't know the meaning of saddle or many things. You use that. Say yes. Or fill it by your own. This is your work, alright, not mine. Because this depends on your own experience. See, now answer the following questions. Now few questions are here, you have to answer that. I will discuss it here in front of you all. Why did Tenali Rama look displeased? Why did Tenali look displeased? Because he didn't understand the painting. He was not impressed with that. He was not impressed with that. That's why he was looked displeased about painting. Next is, how did the king reward the artist? What would you have done if you had been in the king's place? How did the king reward
Morning students, this is your maths class and we will start chapter 3 operations on large numbers. In our previous class we were doing exercise 3H and we completed question number 1 to 5. Students, just revise question number 4. Exercise 3H. Let's revise question number 4. A computer operator can compose 7,381 words in a day. How many words will he compose in 270 months? Let's revise. Repeat the question. A computer operator can compose 7,381 words in a day. How many words will he compose in 270 months? Students, compose words in a day is equal to 7,381. Number of months is equal to 270. Students, as we know, 1 month is equal to 30 days. Okay, 1 month is equal to 30 days. Then number of days. Number of days is equal to 270 multiplied by 30 is equal to 8100 days. Now, what we have to find? Number of total words. Number of total words is equal to number of total words is equal to 7,381 multiplied by 8100. And the answer is, we have to multiply 7,381 into 8100. Students, the answer is okay. Number of total words. Now, come to question number 6. A factory can produce 1,875 toys in a day. How many toys will it produce in 4 years? Students, let's repeat the question. A factory can produce 1,875 toys in a day. How many toys will it produce in 4 years? And 1 year is equal to 365 days. It's given. 1 year is equal to 365 days. Question number 6. Production of toys in 1 day is equal to 1,875. Okay, production of one toys in 1 day. Production of toys in 1 day is equal to 1,875. And students, as we know, 1 year is equal to 365 days. And as we find 4 years is equal to 4 years is equal to 365 multiplied by 4. Multiplied with this 365 multiplied by 4. and we find 4 years is equal to 1460 days. Students, production of 1460 days. Production of toys in 1460 days is equal to 1875 multiplied by 1460. Multiply 1875 multiplied by 1460. Okay, students, and the answer is production of trials in 1460 days, and the answer is this. Okay, students, let's repeat the question. Production of trials in 1 day is equal to 1875 days. As we know, 1 year is equal to 365 days. Then 4 years is equal to 365 multiplied by 4. Then 1460 days in 4 years. Production of toys in 1460 days is equal to 1875 multiplied by 1460, and here we got the answer. Okay, now come to the next question. Question number 7. Students, our next question is question number 7. The weight of a bag containing wheat is 4 kg 750 grams. What is the weight of 1427 such bags? And given that 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams. As we know, 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams. Just repeat the question. The weight of a bag containing wheat is 4 kg 750 grams. What is the weight of 1427 such bags? Okay, students. Question number 7. Weight of 1 bag of wheat is equal to 4 kg 750 grams. Okay, students, and as we know, 1 kg is equal to 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 grams. Okay, then 4 kg is equal to 4 into 1000 grams is equal to 4000 grams, and 4 kg 750 grams is equal to 4000 grams plus 750 grams is equal to 4750 grams. Okay. Now weight of 1427 bags is equal to 4750 multiplied by 1427. Okay, students, now you have to multiply these digits and then you got the answer. Okay, students, now repeat the question. Weight of 1 bag of wheat is equal to 4 kg 750 grams. As we know, 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams. 4 kilograms is equal to 4 into 1000, then 4000 grams. 4 kilograms is equal to 4000 grams, and 4 kg 750 grams is equal to 4000 grams plus 750 grams, then 4750 grams. Now weight of 1427 27 lakhs is equal to 4,750 multiplied by 1,427. And when we multiply these digits, now we got the answer. Okay, students. Now come to question number 8. How many minutes are there in a leap year? How many minutes are there in a leap year? Students, our next question is question number 8. How many minutes are there in a leap year? You all know leap year is equal to 366 days. In a leap year, 366 days. And what you find? How many minutes are there in a leap year? 1 year is equal to, in a leap year is equal to 366 days. 1 day is equal to 24 hours. Okay. Then 366 days is equal to 366 into 24 hours. Multiply it. 366 multiplied by 24. And we got the result 8,784 hours. And 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Okay, friends, 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Then 8,784 hours is equal to 8,784 multiplied by 60. And we got the result 040 minutes. Okay, students. 8,784 hours is equal to 8,784 multiplied by 60, and we got the result. Okay. In a leap year, we have 366 days, and we know 1 day is equal to 24 hours. Then 366 days is equal to 366 multiplied by 24. Then 8,784 hours. And as we know, 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Then 8,784 hours is equal to 8,784 multiplied by 60. And when we multiply, then we got the result. Okay, students. Now come to question number 9. Students, now come to question number 9. A novel contains 226 pages. Each page contains 21 lines, and each line contains 37 words. How many words are there in the whole book? Okay, students, let's repeat the question. A novel contains 226 pages. Each page contains 21 lines, and each line contains 37 words. How many words are there in the whole book? Okay, students. Now, pages in one number is equal to 226, and one page is equal to 21 lines. Then 226 pages is equal to 226 multiplied by 21. And here we got the result 4,746 lines. Okay, students, 4,746 lines, and one line is equal to 37 words. One line is equal to 37 words. Then 4,746 lines is equal to 4746 multiplied by 37. Multiply this 4746 multiplied by 37, and the answer is 1. Okay, students. Pages in one novel is equal to 226. One page is equal to 21 lines. Then 226 pages is equal to 226 multiplied by 21, and 4746 lines. One line is equal to 37 words. Then 4746 lines is equal to 4746 multiplied by 37, and here we got the answer. Okay, students, and question number 10. Question number 10 is as question number 8. And students, today's class is over, and you have to complete it question number 1 to 10, and your today's homework is students, your homework is complete exercise 3s question number 1 to 10. Revise all the questions in your rough copy from 1 to 10.
Good morning, students. I welcome you all online classes. I am computer teacher from Shivaji Group of Institutions. Students, your previous class you have learned these lessons, chapter 2 and some topics. Okay. So, students, today's chapter number is chapter 2 and chapter name is types of software, and today's topic is here. Number first topic is here utility software. Now, second topic is here backup, backup and store. Third topic is here disk deformator, and fourth topic is here application software. So, student, take out your book and open your page number 23. Let's start reading. Number first of all, utility software. Read the following cases. Number first is Rashi spent 6 months in creating one document of stores she had written. Her hard disk has failed and the data is lost. Second point is this: Rohan's computer hard disk has a lot of data in it. Rohan observed that as the hard disk has less pieces, the processing speed of his computer gets affected. The computer started slowing down or getting hanged while processing. Now, number third is all. Ria has just connected a pen drive to her computer system. Suddenly, she finds that nothing seems to be working on her computer and a blank screen appears. So, friends, you know that all the above cases can be managed by utility software. Utility software is operated by a user to maintain the computer system. Utility software is designed to perform specific tasks related to the operation on a computer system. It ensures the smooth running of a computer by finding out. Number first of all, utility software is the problem in a computer. Second is all information about the computer. Some commonly used utility software include backup and restore. Okay. Now first is backup and second is restore. Okay. So let's
different drives. Taking regular backups helps to protect your data in the case the original gets lost. You store data in files or store. You can use a backup utility to take backups. To do this, follow this step. First of all, click on the start button. So student, see here, click on the start button. Okay. Now, second point is type backup in the screen area. Be careful. Type backup. This is the picture of type backup. Okay. Now, third point is here. Click on the backup and store utility software to open it. A new window appears. ये क्या है? थर्ड पॉइंट क्या है हमारा? क्लिक ऑन द बैकअप एंड स्टोर यूटिलिटी सॉफ्टवेयर. Now, fourth point is here. Click on the setup backup option. The setup backup dialog box appears. This is fourth point. Okay, setup backup. Number fifth point is here. Select the drive where you want to place the backup of files or folder. Sixth point is here. Click on next. A new window appears. Seventh point is here. Click on let me choose option to select the files or folder you want to backup. Now, eighth point is here. Click on next to take the backup of files or folder. So, student, to restore the backup, click on the restore my files option. See here, which picture this? Restore the backup. Restoring the backup. Okay, and this is click here to restore. यहाँ से हम लोग क्या करते हैं? क्लिक करते हैं restore. Okay, this now next topic is here deformator. Okay, this deformator, a hard disk stores data in small pieces. ये क्या है अभी? Hard disk store data in small pieces. Okay, the surface of a hard disk is divided into rings, just like a ring. ये कैसे दिखती है हमें? As a ring. Ring के तौर पे each ring can hold a fixed amount of data. When you save a file, the data is scattered into small pieces. Show the data of one file scattered across a hard disk. Okay, student, you know that as you create and save more files, their data also get scattered on the disk, and the disk gets filled up. This scattering of files show down the processing speed of a computer. A utility software called disk deformator. Okay, utility software is called disk deformator. Okay, it used to move the fragment of a file to one location. This helps to increase the processing speed. Okay, to use disk deformator, follow this step. First of all, click on the start button. Second is all, type disk deformator in the search area. Third is all, click on the disk deformator utility software to open it. Student, see here. First of all, see, click on the start button. Second of all, disk deformator. Now third is all, disk deformator utility software to open it. Number fourth point is here. Click on analyze this to check if your computer requires deformation. Number fifth point is here. Click on deformate this to arrange the data Now next topic is here, Windows Defender. Windows Defender means scanning is a process to detect and correct the problem that arise in a computer system. It is mostly used to detect computer virus. A computer virus is a program which disputes the normal functioning of a computer. Virus can be extremely deceptive. It can erase the data present on a hard disk and even correct the computer software. Okay, to detect and remove a virus from a computer system, you can use software called antivirus. तो क्या बोलते हैं हम लोग? Antivirus. Antivirus software will scan the external devices, hard disk, and the whole computer for virus. A utility software called Windows Defender is used to scan and detect virus available on a computer system. So students, see here, starting Windows Defender. We picture this, starting Windows Defender. First of all, to use Windows Defender, follow this step. Number first is click on the start button. Number second is type Windows Defender in the search area. Number third is click on Windows Defender to open it. The Windows Defender dialog box appear. Number fourth point is here, click on scan. In the scan drop down menu, you can select any of these options. Okay, are you clear these topics? Okay. So students, note down homework. Revise chapter second on page number 'So students,